Has your seawall been damaged by natural forces such as depressions in soil behind the wall, cracks in the concrete, rust stains on the surface, movement of part or all of the seawall? Unstable soil behind and below the wall is the source of all these problems. Unstable soil can be caused by erosion, poor compaction, freeze-thaw cycles, decomposition, and excess water saturation. Neglecting seawall problems can lead to serious consequences, such as seawall damage, and even complete seawall failure. Water is relentless. With all that's at stake, who can you trust to repair your seawall? Seawall Repair Network is your guide to permanent repair and preservation. Let us guide you to stable soil, restored concrete, a dependable seawall, and protected property. Seawall Repair Network's exclusive SWRP1 repair material reacts with water to form a solid, watertight, and permeable mass, and it's safe for the environment. There are other options, but they aren't that great. Option 1. Do nothing. The problem will grow, and the longer you wait, the more expensive the repair. Option 2. Replace the seawall. This can be messy, time-consuming, and most of all, expensive. Option 3. Repair with inferior methods. Subpar, ineffective solutions such as hydraulic cement, slurry, crushed seashells, and sodium silicate do not address the underlying soil instability that puts unsustainable pressure on the seawall. These methods are similar to putting a Band-Aid on an infection. The problem will simply continue to get worse until the seawall fails completely. Or you can rely on Seawall Repair Network's advanced proprietary technology. SWRP1 repair material for repairing cracks and stabilizing the soil behind and beneath your seawall. SWRP1 is stronger than crystalline bedrock. Proprietary pressure release technology, which automatically prevents devastating water pressure from building up behind your seawall. Seawall cap and panel repair with high-strength epoxy. This process restores stability and integrity to the structure. Advanced permanent anchoring systems when they are needed for additional structural support. Seawall Repair Network, saving the planet one seawall at a time.